Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your tweets all at once. Deleting your tweet can be a hassle, especially since for Twitter, you need to delete it one by one in order for you to actually delete a tweet, which is why most people tend to just create another account. But there are third-party applications that you can use in order to delete your tweets and reduce your digital footprint online. One of which is delete tweets. So here in delete tweets, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is sign in your Twitter account right here. You can authorize the application. Now, however, you do need to pay for like their premium plans and everything in order for you to delete unlimited tweets like every month or delete up to at least 500 tweets a month. So there is an amount that you need to pay in order for you to have uh, your tweets deleted. Now, another application that we can use is Redact. So Redact is actually it's not just focused on Twitter. You can also use this to reduce your carbon footprint or digital footprint rather. So it provides more than 30 services. You can use it to delete uh, your data or your old data on Discord, Reddit, Facebook, and of course, Twitter. So you can reduce and manage your digital footprint right here. There are also instructions on how you can do this. So you just need to download the application right here. And then from there, we want to connect um, the web or we want to connect the account that we want to delete our content from. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow some more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.